Hi, this is Jonathan from La Tienda. Today I want to show you how to make Horchata de Chufa, the amazingly refreshing beverage from Valencia. It's pretty simple to make, but it takes a little time, so let me show you the steps. First of all, Horchata de Chufa is made from chufa nuts, which are actually a tuber that are grown in the Valencia region. Now, not to mistake this with Mexican horchata, which is made with rice. Here you have the chufa nuts. They come dried. We sell them in this kilo sack. This will make about 4 liters. Today we're going to make 1 liter. Now the first step is to soak the dried chufa nuts. I soaked this batch last night. It's been about 24 hours. So we're ready to start. I have a nice blender here. So the first thing you do is I'm going to drain off this water and then add the chufa nuts directly to the blender. Now I have 1 liter of water here. Next I have grated about a teaspoon of lemon, so I add that right in. And finally, you can add a little cinnamon in there if you'd like. This is probably a little more than I want, so I have a smaller piece over here that I'm going to add in. And finally, we add 1 cup of sugar. Get this secured, and here we go. All right, that's been blended for a couple of minutes. Now, normally what you would do is let this sit for about a half an hour to get all the chufa goodness out of there, but I don't think you want to sit here and watch this for that long, so we'll just skip that part. So as you can see, it's a nice, frothy, shake-like consistency. And what I'm going to do now is pour this through a strainer to get all the fiber out. All right, now we have a pitcher of horchata. The ideal way to serve horchata is to refrigerate it, and then right before you serve it, put it into the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will turn it kind of slushy, more like a milkshake. Again, you don't want to wait for that at this moment, so I'll just show you what it looks like not slushy. So it's very refreshing, sweet. If you're walking along the promenade in Valencia, you'll see horchaterias every so often, and you'll see families out there drinking them like you would a milkshake on a hot summer day. It's sweet, it's delicious, it has a little bit of the citrus flavor from the lemon. It's kind of a nutty flavor as well. It's really one of my favorite drinks from Spain. Salud.